Snow's melting. Finally 35 degrees. We've had 10 inches of snow for the last, I don't know, 3 weeks to a month. So I got to get out of the house. I got cabin fever. I didn't want to come out here when it was single digits, but I brought the mini excavator down here the other day, and this is my favorite log ox to use. $20,000 log ox. Works great for cutting firewood and moving, but trees fell across this trail and I got to get it open back up. So when I have time, I'm going to come out here and chip away at this. I can just take my mini excavator and push it or cut it up in sections and move it off to the side. I don't know if this is going to be a salvageable piece or not without cutting into it. Then we'll keep moving down. There's a stream towards the end of this trail, but you can see there's another 2 trees across there, and then another 30 yards there's another tree across, or 2. Just never-ending trees falling, and everywhere you look there's other dead trees just waiting for the next windstorm. And just like that big log's out of the way. The Mini does have max lifting capacity, but if you know how to use everything, there's ways to get around it. So I couldn't really pick that log up with because of how big around it is. I couldn't grab it with the thumb and its weight. So I just put the blade down and pushed it where I needed to. I am going to come back and cut this up and push it farther off the trail, but for now I can get by it no problem. I'm going to cut into it and see if the inside of the woods good for firewood, or if it's too far gone, I'll just cut it in a couple pieces and push it off. One of the other things when I'm clearing trails, I don't try to put the wood right on the side of the trails, and I always try to anything, any kind of the ends of any branches, logs, especially if they're sharp, things sticking up like this, I try to throw it pretty far off the trail. One of the main reasons I clear these trails is because the kids like riding dirt bikes, four-wheelers. The wife and I primarily just ride the side-by-side. We have 2 four-wheelers. I need to sell them because all they do is sit and we just replace the batteries. But I don't want the kids to get impelled on one of these sticks. I mean, there's a ton of sticks out here, but when I'm clearing them, I try to put them far enough off the trail that the kid's not gonna crash into one of them or have, you know, get impelled by one. So I got another tree across right here, go figure. Pretty sure this is a maple. It's got smooth bark. It's a bit of a mess. Good firewood tree. I will be cutting this one up for sure. It's a good size. I might have to cut it just to get it off the trail. I may have to cut this one to move it because bigger trees like this, I can't snap them by picking them up like some of the smaller trees. To the side for now, that one there I could pull down. That'd be a good firewood tree also. Just money everywhere. We're in a stretch down to the bottom. I don't know if there's too much more across the trail down through here. Once the trail dries out, it's too muddy right now, I'll bring my skid steer and brush mower down here and get some joy out of blazing through all these jaggers, as we call them here in Pennsylvania. I hate those things, especially when you're hunting and you're stuck in them like a razor wire.